Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're comparing Microsoft Authenticator, Authy, and Google Authenticator in 2025. These are three of the most popular apps for two-factor authentication. By the end, you'll know which one is best for you, and for now, let's get into it. Microsoft Authenticator. First up, Microsoft Authenticator. It's great if you are already in the Microsoft ecosystem. Outlook, OneDrive, Xbox, Teams, all integrate smoothly. You get cloud backup, password autofill, and push notifications for Microsoft accounts. Downsides, it's less flexible outside Microsoft services compared to Authy or Google Authenticator. Authy. Next, we have Authy. It is the most user-friendly of the three, especially for beginners, supports multi-device syncing, encrypted cloud backup, and works on desktop, iOS, and Android. The big plus, if you lose your phone, you can still recover your codes easily. Downside is that some people prefer keeping two-factor authentication strictly offline for extra security. Google Authenticator. Finally, we have Google Authenticator. It's simple, fast, and works with almost every website or service. In 2023, Google finally added cloud backup tied to your Google account, so you will not lose any codes if you switch phones. However, it doesn't have multi-device support like Authy, and the design is more basic. Conclusion. So which one is best in 2025? Pick Microsoft Authenticator if you are all in on Microsoft services. Pick Authy if you want the most flexibility, cloud backup, and multi-device support. Pick Google Authenticator if you want a simple, reliable option with Google integration. Personally, I say Authy is the best overall for most users, but the choice really depends on your ecosystem. And that's all for this video. Please do not forget to support us with like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next video.